Hello everyone, I am Mourpriya and I am from West Bengal. I have qualified joint CSIR UGC NET June 2022 examination with JRF. My All India rank is 218. I have also qualified GATE and WB set in this year 23, and in this video I will be telling how I prepared for these exams, and I think that can also be helpful for the aspirants of this upcoming CSIR NET examination. So first thing what I did is that I made precise notes of the subjects which carry more weightages in the exam. They are like mathematical physics, quantum mechanics, thermal and statistical physics, and electromagnetic theory. And also the short topics but also carry a significant weightage in the exam, like nuclear and particle physics, condensed matter physics, atomic and molecular physics. So these 6 subjects I prepared precise notes, and I also prepared classical mechanics notes, but I did not cover all the topics. And honestly speaking, that electronics I totally skipped. So this was the note parts which I did first. And the second and most important thing is that the previous year questions of the exam CSIR NET, GATE, JEST and TIFR examination. And for me, these previous year questions played a very important role to clear all these examinations, because from the previous years we can get the exact pattern or exact idea of the questions which will appear in front of us at the time of examination. So I practiced as much as possible the previous year questions very well, and I also practiced many new questions based on the pattern of the previous years. And so for me, these previous year questions played really very important role to clear the examination. And another thing what I did is that I made the formula notebook of all these subjects, and I revised them 2 or 3 times in a week. And the last thing I did, that I appeared for some mock tests also. And one thing I should tell here, that consistency that should be maintained during the preparation journey of CSIR NET examination, and I also tried to be consistent during the preparation journey. And in my preparation journey, my main focus was to practice the previous year questions very well, and I did that, and by doing that I was able to qualify the examination. And one thing I want to tell here, that quantum mechanics I totally learned from Soni sir, and the notes, the previous year questions, everything I learned from Soni sir classes, and that really helped me to clear the exam, and now to clear the PhD interviews also. The knowledge, the concept, the understanding which I got from Soni sir classes, that really worked to clear the PhD interviews also. Now I have selected at the research institutes, Bose National Center for Basic Science, Kolkata, IIT Dhanvad, Karnataka, and also I have selected at Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, Kolkata, because I want to work on condensed matter physics, and condensed matter physics is linked with quantum mechanics, statistical mechanics, etc. So the knowledge of Soni sir classes, that really helped me to clear the exam and also to crack the PhD interviews. So this is how I prepared for the CSIR NET examination, and I think this can also be helpful for the aspirants of the upcoming examination. So all the best to all the aspirants for the upcoming exam. Thank you.